Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. And on today's video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail on your mobile device for free, guys, in 2023. And let's dive into that. So the application we are going to be making use of is called PixArt. This is the title. Go ahead and search for PixArt, and you can notice the application. This is the person that uploaded the application. It's called PixArt Inc. Incorporation. So when you have it downloaded, just click on open. I already have it downloaded. So once you have it open and you want to start creating your thumbnail, what you need to do is to press this plus icon right there. And when you press the plus icon, you can see your recent design displaying right here, and your different things that is going to show here. You can create AI tool and all the stuff, but then we want to create a thumbnail for our YouTube video. So all you need to do is to click on templates on this area, and then you swipe to the left and you choose YouTube. You wait for it to load. It's going to load different option, different templates for you. You can choose any one, but I like this particular one. This is what I'm going to choose for this video. You can scroll and choose and edit any one, but guys, if you are choosing anyone, be mindful of the one you are choosing. Anyone with this this crown icon right there, it actually means that it's a premium template, which means you have to pay to use it. So if you think you find anyone that is okay for you to use, you can go ahead and make payment to this particular application and you make use of it. But I'm going to settle with this, so I'm going to double click on it to have it open. Now it's going to display this way, which is actually what I want. Now this is the top area, this is back and this is forward. This is to go back and this is to go forward. And on this area you can edit your work, or you do all your work right here before going forward. So this is your canvas area, or you can call it your work area if you prefer that. And then on this bottom area, these are all the menu and all the tools that we need to work and create our thumbnail. So the first option right there is to change the background of our thumbnail, which is right here. When you click on the background, there are several things here. You can change the layout of this our design, and you can also change the aspect ratio of your design. When you click on the aspect ratio, you can change this to portrait for Instagram mode or square for another Instagram mode, and you can also swipe to see different application mode that you want to choose. But since we are working on YouTube, we use this YouTube version. And also if you choose this is this is also a YouTube version, but when you double click on it, it changes to a YouTube short. So this is the default YouTube version that we want to choose, which is 16:9. So once you're done, go ahead and press this plus icon. But if you want to change your background color, you click on this background color on this background section, and you can see all of the different colors. You can go ahead and choose any one, but I think I'm okay with the previous color that I have selected, so I'm going to go ahead and select that particular color, which is this. So once you're done with everything, with selecting your color, and you want to go back to keep designing your thumbnail, all you need to do is to press the plus icon right here, and then it's going to go back to the previous section. So if you want to add a text, you can always click on this text area and you add a new text. But I'm okay with the previous text that is already existing. All I need to do is to double click on it and I'll edit it. So I just double clicked on it, and then I'm going to say okay, there is a typo. Okay, there's actually a typo, but let me leave that to everything in block. And then you increase this just to increase the size of the image, and you can always reduce the size by moving it from this bottom area and upward. I think I'm okay with this. I'm going to come towards this area and move this up and then edit it. Okay, let me just add something instead of deleting it. And then I'm also going to make this smaller. And then I'm going to double click on this also. Now it's actually quite difficult double clicking on this because it's just a test on its own. Then I'm going to type in All right, and I'm going to click on this check icon, and I will have to reduce the size of this test. So I'm going to bring it to this area. Okay, but I think this is supposed to come down a little bit to this section. Just arranging my tests. All right, and now to bring in or to add images to your design, all you need to do is to click on add photo, which is self-explanated. You can click on this drop down icon and then you move to the download area or the exact folder where you have your images, but I have mine on the download section. So I'm actually going to scroll down and I'm going to choose the right YouTube thumbnail that I want. Once you've selected it, it's going to display the selected image right here. So all you need to do is to click on add and it's going to be added. So I'm going to move this towards this direction. Then we'll leave it. I think I'm okay here. And now I want to we can just save this up if we are okay with this, but I don't think I'm okay with that. Let me do this. The gap here is too big. All right, this looks better. So I want to add something else, just make it a little bit different. Now I'm going to add a overlay. So to add the overlay, I'm going to click on add photo, and then I'm going to click on the drop down icon. I'm going to scroll down to downloads, and this is downloads, and I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to say add, and it has been added. I think this is where I want it, and I'm going to expand this to the edge, or rather drag it to the edge, and then I want to reduce the opacity a little bit to 670. Let's say I want it on 70%. Okay, let me leave it on 72, and I'm going to go over to FX effect. I want to make it a bit darken. I like the radical blur, and I'm going to click on OK, and I'm going to fade this in a bit. Okay, I'm okay with this, and then I'm going to add another it's called overlay, guys. I'm going to add another overlay. So in case you want to have something like this, just go to YouTube or go to Google and search for overlay, and when you have your overlay, you download it. Make sure you download PNG overlays. It looks better. You notice how this is looking, and you can always change the FS, add FS. Let's use motion blur. All right. Although, guys, this depends on how you want your image to look or your design to look. So just make this look however you want. But I think I'm satisfied with this. So click on this top area and then you duplicate. And I'm going to move this a little bit to the top. So I'm okay with this, and to save our image or to save our thumbnail, all you need to do is to click on this forward icon, and it usually shows adverts. I just clicked on it twice. So click on it, it's going to display an advert and bring you to this particular area. So all I need to do now is to click on save right there. This is save. Click on save, and you notice it says save to your device. Click on that, and you notice it says save to your photo gallery. So when you go over to your photo gallery, you can see your image. This is a saved image right there. So you guys should tell me if this looks sharp. And also I added a shadow on this. You can also add shadow to your test. Thank you for watching the video. If it's helpful, don't forget to smash like and subscribe to the channel. And guys, I hope this video is helpful. If it is, please share the video with your friends, and see you soon. Peace.